For the bespoke tailor, the open-ended tailor's thimble forms a basic yet irreplaceable part of his day-to-day workflow. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to position the tailor's thimble on your finger, as well as how to form that special relationship between hand, thimble, and needle. In the process, we'll help you to appreciate the importance of the basting stitch, as well as how to properly execute the blind hem or felling stitch while using the thimble. Let's begin with how to properly position the tailor's thimble on your finger. To begin, you may have noticed that we use the terms bespoke tailor as well as a tailor's thimble. What do these terms mean? A bespoke tailor is a man or woman that has dedicated their professional expertise in the construction techniques necessary to make and properly fit a tailored garment, using traditional hand-sewn canvases as the basis for shaping and molding the garment. The tailor's thimble is therefore employed in molding multiple layers of canvassing by a process known as pad stitching. The tailor's thimble, unlike the dressmaker's thimble, has an open tip. The reason for this open tip is so that the thimble can fit comfortably down on the middle finger, allowing the tailor to push the needle not from the tip, as in the case of a dressmaker, but from the side of the thimble. The open-ended tailor's thimble is the preferred thimble of master tailors for centuries. But any tailor worth his salt will tell you that it is better to use any type of thimble that you're comfortable with as opposed to using no thimble at all. Notice how Ray places the thimble on his finger. Notice how that thimble placed on his middle finger leaves free his thumb and pointer finger. This allows the tailor to grasp a needle at its tip with both the thumb and middle finger, while leaving the back of the thimble in the perfect position to be pushed by the thimble in a side-pushing motion. This relationship between hand, needle, and thimble, when mastered, allows the tailor to accurately and cleanly sew a blind-stitched hem or seam at what appears to be mind-boggling speed.